Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clean Sweep podcast. So happy you're joining us today.
Hey guys, can't wait to get into it. For those who don't know me, I'm Adelaide, and we're here to chat about our favorite cleaning tips and tricks.
And I'm Aaliyah. Juggling work and two energetic kids, I feel like cleaning is just another full-time job.
Tell me about it. Managing my rentals keeps me busy 24/7.
Seriously. So today, let's explore some practical strategies to make life a bit easier.
Absolutely. So, what's your go to cleaning hack these days?
Well, I've started integrating mini tasks into my routine, like while I'm brushing my teeth, I'll wipe down the bathroom sink. Multitasking.
That's genius.
I know, right? It saves me so much time later.
I might steal that idea.
Go for it. What about you?
For me, it's all about cleaning as I cook. Washing utensils between steps, wiping down spills immediately.
So you don't end up with a mountain of dishes after dinner.
Exactly. Makes the end of day cleanup so much smoother.
That makes sense.
I've been trying to get my kids to help out more.
Oh, yeah? How's that going?
Yeah. Let's just say it's um entertaining. My son thinks cleaning means building towers with the laundry baskets,
That's hilarious.
right? At least he's engaged.
True.
I think involving the kids is great, even if it's chaotic.
Agreed. Any tips on getting them more interested?
Well, I turned cleanup into a game. Whoever picks up the most toys gets to choose the movie for movie night.
Oh, incentive based. Love it.
It works sometimes.
Better than nothing.
Exactly.
By the way, have you invested in any time saving gadgets lately?
It's funny you ask. I just got a robotic vacuum.
Really?
Yes, let me tell you, it's a lifesaver. I set it to run while I'm out, and I come home to clean floors.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It really is.
But aren't they expensive?
A bit, but I found a good deal online.
I might have to look into that.
Definitely worth it.
What about you? Any new gadgets?
I got one of those cordless electric mops.
Oh, how we like it.
Game changing. No more lugging around a bucket.
Nice. That sounds dreamy.
It's the little things, right?
Absolutely.
Speaking of little things, do you have any tricks for forgotten spots? Like, I always neglect the top of the fridge.
Oh, same here.
I set reminders on my phone now.
That's smart.
Works like a charm.
You know what's weird? I found an old sock behind my dryer yesterday.
Seriously?
Yes, no idea how it got there.
That's so strange.
I know, right? The mysteries of household appliances.
Maybe it's where all the missing socks go.
Could be.
On another note, have you tried any eco friendly cleaners?
Actually, yes. I'm obsessed with using lemon juice for cleaning now.
Oh, tell me more.
So I mix lemon juice with water and a bit of baking soda. It cleans countertops, cuts through grease,
Wow,
and it smells amazing.
that's awesome.
It really is. Plus, no harsh chemicals.
I need to try that.
You won't regret it.
Have you tried making those DIY fabric fresheners?
I haven't. How do you make them?
Super easy. Just mix distilled water, a bit of vodka.
Vodka? Really?
Yep. It helps the scent last longer. Then add essential oils.
Interesting.
So you just spray it on fabrics.
Exactly. Freshens up couches, curtains, everything.
Neat. I'll give that a shot.
Let me know how you like it.
Will do.
Oh, do you have any tips for dealing with pet hair? My dog sheds like crazy,
Oh, I can relate. My cat leaves fur everywhere.
right? It's like a never ending battle.
Totally. I use a lint roller on the furniture every day.
That's a good idea.
And brushing them regularly helps reduce shedding.
True. I should do that more often.
Also, I got this pet hair vacuum attachment, works wonders.
Oh, I didn't know that existed.
Yes, it makes cleaning so much easier.
I'll have to check that out.
I definitely recommend it.
Thanks for the tip.
Anytime.
Oh, I wanted to ask, do you use checklists to keep track of cleaning tasks?
I try to, but I usually end up losing the list.
Story of my life.
Right?
But when I do keep up with it, it helps a lot.
Maybe I need to go digital, an app or something. You know,
And good idea. There are plenty of apps for that.
I'll have to explore. Maybe it'll keep me on track.
Let me know if you find a good one.
Will do.
Sometimes I feel like no matter how much I clean, It's never enough.
I can relate. But I think it's important to cut ourselves some slack. So,
Agreed. A lived in home is a happy home.
exactly, no one lives in a magazine spread.
Unless maybe Martha Stewart.
True, but even she probably has a junk drawer.
Ah, I'd love to find out.
Same.
Well, any parting wisdom for our listeners?
Just remember, every little bit counts. Don't stress the small stuff.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
And have fun with it. Turn on some music, make it enjoyable.
Yes. Dance party cleaning sessions are the best.
Absolutely. The kids love it too.
Well, this has been so much fun.
It really has. Thanks for sharing all your great tips.
Thank you, and thanks everyone for tuning in.
Until next time, keep it clean, but not too clean.
Bye, everyone.